Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. For this video we're going to be doing something a bit different, seeing that fall hasn't come fully yet and the trees still have their leaves. We're going to show you guys how to draw a tree. So let's get into it. Alright, so how you want to start is from the roots upwards. So you can see how we coming up right here. And you can see how we curve in and we're not making everything too perfect. And for the right side we will do the same thing. And we will curve out just like that. Next we could start working on our branches. So we will curve back in from here. And notice from this part is very thin. We go and curve in. And we will carry it all the way up on the right hand side here. And we will start to branch out, no pun intended. And it should have like this arm look, if that makes sense. Alright, cool. And for the left we will just carry this up a little bit more. And it will just branch out at the top right here. Alright, nice. And then we could just add this branch sticking out on the right here. Afterwards we could start adding in these lines for the detail of the tree. And it really helps shows the texture of the tree, because you know a tree not smooth, it's usually rough, and these lines help show that. Alright, nice. So now we could start working on the leaves. And for this part we will create a new layer. And instead of making one big whole shape that we could use, we're going to break it up into smaller shapes, as you can see right here. And this adds like more layering when we go in and start doing the leaves, rather than just having one big block, because sometimes it would tend to be kind of a little flat. Alright, so we finished with that. Now we could grab our selector tool and we will just shrink this down a little bit. Next we could go ahead and we will create a new layer. And then we could go ahead and we will turn down the layer which part we have the big cloud-like shapes for the leaves. And on our new layer, here comes the fun part. We will go in here and just start adding in these jaggedy lines, like making it really messy. It don't have to be perfect. This will give the illusion of leaves. And it's way better than actually trying to go in there and add in all the individual leaves. It's more like a simplified version, because to do that would be crazy. So you can see we just going in here, and you guys can have fun with this. It don't have to be perfect. As you can see, we going in, just creating all these messy, jaggedy lines. Alright, nice. And to make the leaves look less flat, we're going to go in here and we're going to add some shadow underneath. So we're going to follow the same shape and creating the same messy look. So we will do that for all of them. So just continue on. Alright, just like that. And after we're done with that, we could just shade it in. And you can see by doing that, it makes it look more full and less flat. And we could just add in a bit more texture on the leaves by putting in these jaggedy lines, and we'll just spread it randomly throughout. And down below we'll just add in the grass, and you guys don't really have to worry about this part, but we just go and add it in, and we're going to go a bit fast here. Alright, we finished with that. Now we could kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we back, and you already know, clean, and you could really see how good the shadow makes this look. Oh yeah, and I just now realized something. What are we forgetting? I remember. And bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.